Good morning, class, and welcome to the final day of your 2-point perspective unit. This video will discuss the task list for today and the assignments that need to be completed. So the main things that you're going to be doing are A, submitting your final project, and then also completing your 2-point perspective learning log, which is your final assessment. So you have 100 points for the project itself and 28 points for the learning log. Now, when you submit the final project, please submit it to the 2-point perspective final project assignment. After this video, submit it there. That is where your rubric is built in for the 100 points. If you're watching this video and you've completed the assignment early, before the actual due date, please just continue to work on a free drawing assignment and submitting it to your daily student progress if that's the case. Otherwise, for everyone who did finish it on time, you don't need to worry about that. Now, if you're watching this video and you know that there's no way you can get it done today, it's okay. I don't give late deductions for students who finish after the due date, but please try to get it done as soon as possible so you don't fall behind, because the class is moving forward with a new unit next class. I would hate for anyone to fall behind. So again, if you're behind, what I'd recommend is submitting a photo of what you have currently so that I can at least give you some kind of points for the current assignment. And then if you want to resubmit it later when it really is finished, then you can still get the full points without any deductions, just keeping that in mind for anyone who might still need more time. Once you complete it, just complete your 2-point perspective learning log. There's 3 sections. The first section is a vocabulary section. In that section, there is a vocabulary answers PDF or PowerPoint at the bottom of this page. Please refer to that to help with the answers. So everyone should be able to get 100% on that section. It is an open note quiz where you just match the definitions. After the vocab section, the second section is an artist statement where you write about how you produce your artwork. And then lastly is the essential question that we've been discussing every day up until today. So make sure that for your artist statement and your essential question responses, you are writing detailed responses that show a thoughtful reflection, that is not just quick 1-word or 2-word answers. Make sure they are 1, 2 to 3 solid sentences that really show a strong reflection that you really read the question and that you are explaining to me your full understanding of the question and the objectives of the assignment. So again, the more you write, the better. It does not need to be a book. It's not meant to be difficult. Yes, you could answer the questions with 1 strong sentence, but if you know you can write more, just write more until you have answered it as in as much detail as you can. That's how you get the most points for your learning log assignment. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I really look forward to seeing your final projects, how they turned out, reading about your artist statement and your central questions understanding, and then ultimately starting the brand new project with you next class, which I think you guys will have a lot of fun with. All right, message me if you have any questions at all, and I hope you all have a great class. Okay, bye.